Yesterday we had discussed about our yeah, under company will be having company code. Under company code there will be a plant. Under plant there will be a storage location. Location 2. So here purchasing organization. So purchasing organization we can assign to company code and plant as well. So in last class also I told you this is a standard organization structure. Okay, so during implementation we have to follow this structure only. Now we'll design this flow in a SAP. Are you able to see my Excel screen? No?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yesterday I told you how to log into SAP. So you have to copy the user ID and password. So double click on the server. So here you will get a user ID and password. You have to put user ID and password. Just enter. I told you. So this is the work area. This is keyboard bar. This is menu bar. Now, how to create a company? So here we have to write a path. So actually, you can go through path also to define company or company code or here is maybe SPRO. Here you have to type. Just enter. So here you have to write down like a SPRO. That after that where I will click that you have to write there in front of that SPRO. So click on SAP reference IMG. After SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay. So after SAP reference IMG, we'll do one thing. Company. So path will be SPRO reference IMG. After that, click on enterprise structure. Here side one corner is there. No, you have to click on that. So enterprise structure after SAP reference IMG enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Then after enterprise structure, so definition we have to click side here definition. So next thing definition. So definition again we have to do like that for your easy understanding. So here you have to go with a financial accounting. Next thing financial accounting. Financial accounting. that, after financial accounting, you have to click on define company. So here, are you able to see one mark like a clock mark is there? No, you have to click on that. Okay, here you will get a screen, defining screen of particular. Just back again, click on define company. Here you will get, okay, define company screen. Click on define company. Okay. So after that, what you have to do is you have to click on new entry. Okay, new entries. Click on new entry. Yeah, tell me. Is there any confusion? Someone is asking.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so first you have to go with the STRA code. So click on enter. After that, you will get reference line. I will show you one more time. Okay. So enterprise sector, definition, financial accounting, define company, new entry. So after clicking on new entry, you will get this screen. So here you have to define your company. So like here I am giving TA1. So this is Tata one is my company. Here we have to give that company name. That particular plant is having one more name, we can give that. Okay, then you have to give address of that particular 560023 address, maybe postal code you can give. So city name, where actually that particular company located, that you have to give. Country is India. So language key we have to give EN, so that is English. So currency will be here. In case this company is located in India, we have to give Indian rupees. Okay, based on the country, we have to give currency. Just enter. Postal code should have 6 digits. I entered only 4 digits. That's the reason system is showing error. Okay, I will enter 2 more codes digits. Okay, see, an entry already exists with a entry. Someone has created a company already, TATA1 like that. So what I will do, TATA B like that. I will create a company, Tata B. Just enter. No one has created. That's why system is taking. You have to define your company, company name, so street, your box, postal code, country, language. Language we have to do English only. Currency. So based on the country, you have to give currency. After entering all the things, so new entry, company, private limited, street, you have to give postal code. So country. So I told you language will be English, and currency here I'm entering INR because my country is India. Just enter. Tata B. Okay. So I will take C now. Tata C. is my company. Just save. See, I told you in a first session itself, during configuration, system will generate one number. So this is our TR number. Are you getting now? Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, see here,
Yes,
system is
sir.
doing customizing request. Customizing request means we are doing configuration. That's the reason system is generating customizing request. System is showing one number. If you don't want this number, if you want one more number, so you have to click on create request. See, this TR already created. Okay, in that TR itself, you can add one more configuration. Or if you want a separate TR for separate configuration, then you have to click on create request. So you have to use short description. So here now I am doing enterprise structure. Give like that. Enterprise. Okay. So after giving the description, just click on save. See here. One more TR got generated. So in this TR, you have to save. So this is a TR. We have to move from one server to other server. See, now I have created Tata C as a company. Okay. Uh, Imagine this is my development server. Here I am doing configuration. One TR got generated. So this TR I will move to the next server. Then automatically that Tata C will appear in that server also. No need to configure again in that server. Okay. Understood, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Also.
Now click on continue. See, data was saved. Like that message will come. Now, what we have done, we have created Tata C as a my company. Okay, so Tata C. You have to note down Tata C. So our next organization unit is company code. So how to create a company? Again, I will come up with a initial stage, initial screen. I told you to come back. So transaction code is /n. Just enter. So system will take you to the home screen of the SAP. So now we have done with the company.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Yeah.
So if you press /n, it will come back to the home position or only the previous step?
No, home position. So this is home screen. No? In case /n, it will come to home screen of the SAP. Initial screen. Okay. Now we'll go with the company code creation. So same thing here also. SPRO is the T code. Just enter. Company code SPRO. And the reference IMG here also. Reference IMG. You have to click on that reference IMG. Next thing, same enterprise sector. That next step is same definition. Definition. Again, a financial accounting. Again, financial accounting. So here, are you able to see edit, copy, delete, check company code? Third option, edit, copy, delete, check company code. So here I will write delete. To click on that third option. So here you will get one pop-up. Okay. So here we are having two options to define. First, you have to click on edit company code data. Here, edit data. Okay. So same thing again. You have to click on new entry here. New entry. New entry. So same thing what we have done for a company, like that if you have to define. So my company is Tata C. So company code I will define Tata already there. TA11. Okay. So my company code is now TA11. I'm creating as a TA11. TA11. So you have to give a company code name. 11. So city you have to give where actually located that particular company code. Country, India. So currency same thing. So language also Indian. Okay. You have to give. After that you have to click on next entry. After entering all the results, you need to click on next entry. Loading. Okay. Then system will show you one more dialog box. Here if you have to select that company. So you have to give a company code name again. And search term you have to give. So here I am giving search term. Okay. And here you have to define street, postal code, and country, all the three. So my postal code is 223. So here you have to give country, India. So here one more option is the region. So region in the sense states. So country is India. What about region? So in case you are looking for Karnataka, you have to select region number 10. In case Gujarat 6 and Himachal Pradesh 8, like that. These are the SAP standard regions. So in case if you want Karnataka, you have to select region 10. So, can enter. A11. Okay, this is my company code. Okay, click on next. Company code 11. We'll do one thing. I will create one more company code. BA1 2 like that. Okay. So data only. Then city is Bangalore. Country is India. Currency INR. So just enter. Click on next 20. So same thing. What we have done previously. Same thing. Company. Tata Private Limited. So Tata seat number you can give. You can another report. Country. So I shown you regarding the region. So we have 10 in the sense Karnataka. PO box. If you have a PO box number and postal code number, you have to give. So if you have a mobile number also for that particular company code, you have to give. Okay. After that, just click on copy. Okay. That's it. Sorry. Okay. Just you have to click on copy. Automatically, that particular company code has created. So I will show you CA1. This is your newly created company code. I will do one thing. Again, I will come back from initial screen. System is taking time to load. I will re-log in again. So SPRO, SAP reference IMG. So enterprise access, definition, financial accounting for a company, you have to go with the first one. So now I am defining a company code. You have to click on company code for this company. So new entry, CAPP. So company data. So system is very slow. That's why it's taking time to save. Country is India. Currency INR. Language is Indian. So do one thing. After entering all the things, just click on save. System itself will show you next thing. Okay, then you can define data. Limited. Subtract. Save After entering all these things here, option copy is there. In case if you want to see all the fields, you can click on this review. Whatever you entered, you can check here. So here one more, check address. Whatever address you have entered, you can check. Okay, after that, just continue. See, again, system is showing one more TR number. See, this TR number we created previously for a company. Okay. Now, if you want one more TR number, you can click on create request and you can create one. Otherwise, don't need no need to create one more TR number. If you want to add this configuration to already existing TR number, you can click on continue. Okay. If you want to create new one, then you have to click on create. You can see here 375 for enterprise sector. Create a new. So here you can write like a company code. Always you have to use only one TR for whole organization structure. Okay, company code. Just click on save. See, that enterprise structure TR was end with a 375. Now one more TR came with a 377. You can see here short description company code. Just click on continue. So exploding after saving system will show that our sales company. It's very simple. You have to practice. Okay, one or two or three times. Then it will be familiar. You have to practice today. If you stuck anywhere else, no, you can call me or you can ping in this group also. Okay, I will help you. Kalapa and Puneet, have you taken this one server?
No, sir. No, not taken.
Okay, please take server and practice. Okay, as per today class, you have to practice.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, it will be problem for you. So tomorrow I will go with one more session. Okay, you should know about all the fundamental steps of the SAP. These are the basic things. Without the enterprise sector, we can't do anything. Okay. So now data was saved. Again, click on back. Back. See, actually, in edit company code, do it check. I will show you. In this edit copy delete check company code, there will be having a two options. Now we have done with the edit company code data. In that edit company code data, we click on a new entries and enter the some field. Okay. Now there is one more option. Copy delete check company code. So this one you have to do. Copy delete check company code. So what you have to do, just click on that. So here you will get one screen. Here you have to click on copy organization object. Copy organization object. copy organization object. Okay. So here what we have to do, here what we are doing here, we are copying standard things to our already created, already standard company code is there. Okay. From that company code to our newly created company code, we are copying. I will enter, can take 1,000 as a standard, and our newly created company code is TA33. Okay, we have to go. So we are copying from standard company code to newly created company code. Okay, why we are doing all the things, I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, after completion of the configuration, just go with the steps. After that, just click on continue. Yes, yes, you have to do that steps like that. I will tell you. So here you have to give currency assignment. You have to say yes, yes, yes. Yes. See, again, system is asking TR. Now I am saving this configuration in this existing TR itself. Then no need to create one more. Just I will click on continue. It will take some time. Okay. So you have to click on yes, yes, yes. I will tell you tomorrow why you are clicking yes, yes. Why you are copying from 1,000 to our newly created company code. What is the logic behind that? Here we are saving all the configuration only one TR. Okay, we are copying all the configuration to only one TR.
Sir,
Yeah.
I think it's several times the same dialog box.
No. Actually, there will be a different number in it. Okay. For that, it is asking. See, up to here, you have to do. Up to get this message,
Yes.
you have to do S like that. Okay. Just again click on continue. So like that, you have to get. Until this, you have to click on S like that. Okay. So this is how we have to create a company code and how we have to copy from 1000 to our newly created company code. So what will happen? So 1000 is a standard, 0001 is a standard company code. We are copying all the functionality, whatever finance people have designed now, all the functionality we are copying here. Okay, no need to worry about all the copy. Okay, I will tell you what is the logic why we are copying and who will take care of the company code and all those things. Just now follow the steps and create your own enterprise structure. After creating an enterprise structure, we'll discuss on this. Okay, what is impact of copying, and without copy, is it possible to create a master data and all those things we'll discuss. So after that, just cancel. So now we have done with a company and a company code. So next thing is plan. So my company code here, PA3. So plan, how we have to define plan. Again, I will come from initial screen. For initial screen /1, just enter. You will get the home screen of the SAP. So again, same thing, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition. For a company and company code, we went here, company, and even for a company code. Now, I am going to define plant. So for a plant, we have to go with a logistics general. So here, all things is same, but I will copy this. So definition. So next is logistics. Okay. So click on logistics general. So you will get a number of options here. Here you have to select second one. define copy delete check plan. Define copy delete check. Okay. We have to click on that. That will be second option. Okay, double click on that. So same thing. What we configured no for a company code like that only we have to do for plant also. First we have to define a plant. Click on the define plant option. So I will write it as define plant. So again new entry. Same. Here we have to give plant name. So TA33 is my company code. So here I will use TA44. Just a minute. I will put shotgun. Okay, fine. Then give name. So after entering, just enter. So here you have to give country code. So drop down here, or you can give directly IN. So give IN. So one second. We will put here. Do one thing, no need to enter country code here. So in the next screen, system will ask. Okay. So here, what you have to do, you have to give factory calendar. I will tell you what is factory calendar and all those things. Just give 01 here. Okay, as of now. After that, just enter. So click on save. Again, system will show you one more dialog box. Here you have to give all the uh, data plans. Okay. So search term. So here I will it will copy to that. So, okay. You can give all the things whatever required. So just I'm giving the name and search term and country and region. So I will continue. So automatically that country and region is again system is generating the TR. If you want to save this development also in that existing TR, you can click on continue. This IN and can came automatically based on that configuration. So what we have done in a plant, we define the plant. So our plant is TA44. So after that, actually in that first dialog box itself, there will be a three options. Just again that we define plant and copy delete that plant. Define plant for a cross system group flow. No need to use this. So now same thing we have to copy from standard plan to the our existing plan, newly created plan. Same thing what we have done now for company code, like that we have to again click on the copy delete check company plan. So here organization object, so give standard plan, and now newly created plan is TA44. Just continue. Same thing again as press is already. Okay, this message should appear again back. So in this plant, okay, you have to use only two options. Okay, no need to use this is only for a interface. Okay, we'll discuss later regarding interface and all those things. So till now, what we have done, we have created company code and plant. Now next thing is storage location. So are you able to see location here? Define location. Just click on location. So otherwise I will do something. I will back. So STRO, this is our location. Storage. So for storage location, just click on X currently. Same thing. So interface access, definition. So here for storage location, you have to go with the material management. Definition, management. So next thing is maintain storage location. So here click on maintain storage location. So you have to give plant for which plant you are defining storage location. So now I have created the plant code as a TA44. So for the TA44, I am defining storage location TA44. Just continue. See, already some storage location came. Why? Because I copied from 1000 to our existing plant. These storage location already existed for 1000 location. During copy, all the location came to the our plant also. If you don't want all these, just select all. Select all. Just click on delete. And save. you are doing here, you are removing already existed storage. Now, see, under TA44, there is no location. Now click on new entry. You can define your location. Location 1 is FG location. Location 2, scrap location. Location 3 is rework location. Based on client requirements, how many locations they are having under particular plan, you can define all this. Okay, so you have to view coding like that. Just need to say. That's it. Okay, this is for storage location. So next thing is organization. So here maintain what is our same thing. Again I will come back here. So before to come back, last time just come back. No need to worry, you can practice. If you got stuck anywhere else, again I will take one more question on this sector. Okay, again I will define one more time. SCRO, enterprise structure, definition. So here again material management. So here second option is there, maintain purchasing environment. You have to click on that. Again click on inventory. Here you have to view any coding for a purchasing environment. Okay, that is the just code. Again, when is asking the TR number, if you don't want to create one more, you can save one. So TA33 is my purchasing environment. So till now we define all the enterprise structure, but there is no link between any company and company code and plant and storage location. So tomorrow we'll see how to assign this company code to this company, this plant to this company code, how to link between the company code and plant and company to company code and plan to purchasing organization and company code to purchasing organization. Is there any question on this? Do one thing, you can practice. Okay, you can see the video also. You can practice. If you stuck anywhere, you can call me. I will guide you. Okay.
So small doubt, sorry. Sir, in the beginning, you typed SPRO. What it stands for, sir? Abbreviation of SPRO.
SPRO in the sense this is like an object. Okay. So each in SAP for even number range also, even for a document also, there will be object. Okay. So that is stands for reference object. SAP reference object. Okay.
Okay, it's a code. Okay.
So you can define your own enterprise structure. You can create a 3 to 4 times the company and the company code and the plant, storage location, purchasing organization. Okay, you can define yourself. Okay.
Sir, SPRO is nothing but like SAP project.
Yeah,
Yeah.
object. Reference object.
So it's an abbreviation of SAP project.
No. Just object, you can say through object we can accessing all the paths here. Actually, there will be a key code for each and every for a company code and flat all those things. But we are accessing through object here. Okay, that is SPRO.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. So I said like SPRO is nothing but abbreviation for that is SAP project, which is a reference object.
No. This is just like a object here. SPRO is project reference object. SAP project reference object. Okay.
Okay.
So with the help
Okay.
of SPRO, we can access all the things instead of T code. If you have a T code with you, you can click on that T code like OX09 to define a plant like that. Automatically that screen will come. Sometimes you will forget that particular T code. That time you have to go with the object, this SPRO.
Mhm.
Through path. What we are calling it, this is through path. What we are defining now, this is path. SPRO reference ING enterprise structure definition financial accounting define company. This is path. First practice all the things I will discuss later.